We all know nature surprises every single day, but have you heard of the horned lizards that can squirt blood out of their own eyes to terrify predators? You heard me right, and it's 100% true. These lizards are threatened by a canine or feline predator. The lizard increases the blood pressure in its head until the tiny vessels in the corners of the eyes ruptures. This shoots a stream of food-tasting blood up to 5 feet away. It contains a chemical that tastes absolutely repulsive to predators like coyotes and foxes, giving the lizard plenty of time to escape. How cool is that?